Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm outside being bitten by these invisible bugs, I guess. They call them little sand gnats. You can't see them, but they're there. The skies are clear, no clouds. Just the sun is between there burning away the clouds. Birds are singing. And the meteor shower is beautiful. I've made another mask out of these silk scarf I got from Dollar Tree. I used rubber band my husband got from work and pins. That's it. And I pin the inside, whatever, and it fits very nicely. Let me sit this down a minute. So, yeah, there are mosquitoes biting me. Anyway, let's see. Okay, this is a mask I made. It fits very nicely out of silk. And then I got from Dollar Tree. They come in pack of twos. I got them last week. I made a red one. I sewed it with the little hem stitch thing where you use the iron. I used that with the red one. Then I just used pins with this one to see how nicely one would fit. It's just pins and bend down. My husband, these, I don't know what he do at work, but he take their band-aids off. And he said he had hundreds of them, but I guess everybody's using band-aids. Mosquitoes biting me up. I don't know how long I'm out here being bitten by mosquitoes. But anyway, see, I'll go let you see that. Let you see that scarf, whatever it is. It's, you see the buzzards flying. So, there are lots of buzzards around here. I hear a lot of things about buzzards. They say the buzzards are here because some 5G and 5G is dead, and that's how buzzards hang around dead things. People say a whole lot of stuff. I don't know what's true, so I just take in the information and just file it in a mental library. Anyway, I want to talk about my thoughts on the coronavirus and the fact that I see it at this time and period as, because we can see as we drive around, for the most part, in Carolinas where I live, people out and about every day living their life. You would think it's a ghost town like a lot of cities, but it's not a ghost town. People are out and about shopping, doing, especially on Saturday. We went out. I needed to get my eyeglasses adjusted because I just couldn't see. So I got my eyeglasses adjusted. The mall is completely shut down, and there's the doors open for you to go in, and there's the door open for you to go into just the lens craft. Everything else is closed. Nail salon, the health food store, the bean, whatever you call it. Whatever it is. They're closed. Everything is shut down. The book said you can order online and you can pick up there from side door. Roses was open. That's where everybody was in Roses. And that's where we was in Roses shopping, getting a few things. I went in there and got a few things. Got some new pillows for my bed. Because I wanted to change the color. But the coronavirus, what we're seeing is, even though this is a man-made virus, it's like all these viruses on this planet, like the HIV, so I heard, and all these other viruses. But everybody's inside, everybody's forced inside, and what is Earth doing? Replenishing itself. There's not as much pollution. There's like coming up right now, the people next door had the rental center truck coming up. The world goes on. It's not that hustle and bustle. So He backing up, so I guess he passed the house. So it's not that hustle and bustle or everybody on the matrix just running and living. I gotta go in the house. These mosquitoes are biting me up. So I guess I'll walk around a little bit. I'll walk around the front, set this sliding door because mosquitoes are biting me up. So I don't want them going in the house and continue to bite me. I like to keep my sliding door open. Ooh. See what's going on. Okay. Yep. See, there's people over there. Hey, Brandy. What you doing, son? Get ready for your birthday party. Your birthday online. Okay, that's my son in his room. So, like it's nice and quiet. Nature gets to replenish itself. Cause I hadn't thought about it until Infinite Water said it. He said, you know, there are so many billions of trees cut down every day. At the present, trees aren't being cut down. There's no reason for the Amazon forest to be on fire for whatever humans are doing. Why? And something he said, we are quarantined, we are inside. Some people are quarantined, they won't come out the door for nothing. Stick their head out the way, out the window. Me, I ain't never did it. So take your mask off, because you know you take this mask off. So, this coronavirus is a good thing in a way, because it get people to sit down. We are not out here polluting the air. Like rental center, people coming to bring some furniture or whatever. Hopefully they ain't coming to get the furniture because of people not working. But essential stores, they're still running. People are still go to the grocery store, buy grocery. I go buy with a Dollar Tree, buy a few things so I can do little whatnots in the house. All kind of stuff. Can't get alcohol nowhere. But I got everything I need to make the hand sanitizer, but except alcohol. And I will have that soon. Because I got some people on to say, well, maybe you can get it, whatever. That's all I need is alcohol. I'm making bandanas. You know, it's something that, you know, I'm just doing it for myself right now. But it's just stuff that I can do. And if need be, to do something that can help others and at the same time make money, I can just do it. This is my daughter's car right here. She just sold it to my husband, and we just gonna just put it together. It's not running because, you know, we still need some minor work on it and keep putting her down or whatever. But my husband's gonna buy it. We're just gonna slowly fix it for me. Not that I need a car, I'm just doing it to help her. She's a single mother with 3 kids, a new baby. I think he's 2 months old, a little more than 2 months old. But this coronavirus, though it's man-made, it's a good thing because it's showing us who we are. We get to set our butt down and figure out who we are, and the fact that we don't have to live on the matrix. We don't have to just continue to suffer, continue to just keep doing these things that, you know, just keep making our life miserable. We got time to sit down and realize who we are and what we can do. This is my little bird that's up here. I put a little bird house up here. Put up in a few years for birds. I don't know if birds move into it yet, but it's there for the birds. This right here, I put this down for the hummingbirds. I got a video of a hummingbird you know, flying back and forth for me, standing in my face. You know, it's on my YouTube video somewhere, and then you put in the hummingbird speaks, you find that video. Hummingbird flying in front of my face, and I'm talking to it, and then it went away quick like I do. But they used to be around this little thing here, a hummingbird feeder. I just put stuff out here because I like nature. These flowers over here, it was beautifully pink, like a week or two ago. Now they all done bloomed and whatever. It was very short. Not like a normal summer. It's like summer came for about a week or two, and then the flowers are gone. But that little dog that comes running up out here and follow my son over here from the some girl talked to her down the road. But anyway, oh, cute little dog. But anyway, it's basically in this coronavirus time, Earth is cleansing itself. Earth is you hear the birds. It's taking the time to regenerate itself, revitalize itself. At the same time, send humans inside to sit down. It's like being in time out, humans. Go inside. Coronavirus is here. Go inside. Sit down and think about what you have done to Earth and mankind as a whole. So that's how I see this going. And we just have to take this time to figure out who we are, what we want to do. And when the world come back out, it could be a whole new world. People gonna realize that they don't, all these jobs, these unnecessary jobs, don't have to be here. Because even though the world is like, it's not running on the grid. It's like it's off the grid. And the world's still moving. Well, even my world, because I'm living in 4D. The world, life hasn't changed. My life is exactly the same as it was before the coronavirus. So, nothing has changed for me. I still go to the store, get what I need. My husband likes to go out and eat. The one good thing that happened, I'm doing home cooking, and I used to enjoy cooking when the kids were young. But everybody wanted to go to grandma's house and eat, so didn't really care for my cooking now. What? The youngest is 27, 28 years old. And now I'm back. I got the oldest one here. He'll be 34 tomorrow. He's back here. And now I'm cooking for him and my husband. And I'm enjoying cooking again. It's like life is just wonderful for me. I don't need I put my mask on when I go out because of this bronchitis. Because of my sinuses to close up. So if I feel like I'm going to have some sinus issues, I put my mask on so it won't be too much of a problem. Yeah, that sun's shining bright over there. Won't be too much of a problem when I get home. Because I got my Benadryl. Got to have my Benadryl. But anyway, I just wanted to say, you know, just enjoy the time out that nature has put man in time out. And while we think about what we have done and continue to live our best life, because I'm living my best life. My life hasn't changed. I'm living in 3D. Not 3D. 3D is where all this craziness is. But I'm living in 5D since 2017 May, when the full moon came, and all of a sudden I was just awakened. So now I've been off the grid since then. Well, off the matrix, whatever, grid matrix, whatever. But anyway, that's it for this video, and I will be seeing you on the next video. Bye.